we're gonna unpack Just Dance 2023 edition. There are different versions of this one, and this one is the one with the smartphone ring, but in this box is also the normal version. I'm gonna remove the plastic. And now if I pull this, you'll see there's two trays. One of them is the smartphone ring, and one of them is a normal game, which you would also have if you just buy the normal version. Let's start off with the smartphone ring. It's basically the only thing in here. You can attach it to your smartphone and then you've got a Q pen on it, I guess. Then here we have the normal game. If we open it, you will see that there's a card in here with a code. This is a unique code to activate the game on your Switch. We also have this, Billie Eilish, which is basically just a commercial paper for Billie Eilish on Just Dance 2023. And as you can see, there is no disc included, so no cartridge, because we have the code. The code is to activate the game. You do not get a physical version with this game.